Hey, guess what? Look at my hair. Look at my hair. Isn't it gorgeous? So, it's not like, it's so pretty to me. Like, I love it. I didn't know what to expect, but I love it. So on the bottle it said leave the dye on for 24 hours. I left it on for 18 hours because I got tired of it being on, and I can tell the color had took. Isn't it so cute? Okay, so now I'm about to do a twist out. Okay, I don't have no routine. I'm just now getting used to my natural hair, so I'm not a hair girl. I don't have a routine. I just try to use the good products, but I'll show you my products. I'm gonna use this to detangle my hair. Can you see it? I like Jackie's. I also like the Main Choice too. The Main Choice.
Now is you riding when it's time to roll? Hey, are you supporting what we grinding for? Hey, it ain't no shrinking when we trying to grow. It's you what I said in my gotta know. I'm about to take this thing around the globe.
I don't have a fancy brush, but Troll's a brush. This is my mom brush, and I have a regular brush.
If you what I said in my gotta know.
Oh my god, it's so good. So,
we split the pie like it's dominoes. Look at the cement just to find the rose. Wish I could show you what I see ahead. Yeah, you can't be listening to what people said. Make sure you got your wings before you reach the ledge. Make sure you got your dreams before you reach the bed. Look, with the world spinning sideways, we can't.
I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner on it because my hair is really dry.
In the world that we know now. I can get you anything in the world long as you stick around. Yeah. It's too late for me to go and find a new chick now. So now is you riding when it's time to roll? Hey, are you supporting what we grinding for? Hey, it ain't no shrinking when we trying to grow. Look, it's you what I said I gotta know. I'm about to take this thing around the globe. Hey, it ain't no feeling when we on the road. Hey, just make it clear so everybody know. If you what I said I gotta know. Do what you wanna do and say what you wanna say. I'm in the club, swag surfing, trying to put
to help seal my curl, I'm gonna use this Eco Style
danger in the face. If it's goodwill or God's will, I got some game to give away. Never talk to strangers, haven't met a stranger to this day. So when I mention us and them just be the mental slaves before I go to outer space.
This one.
Master inner space. You are what you eat.
A lot of good stuff in it.
If we the new slaves, I'm Smitty Tubman, boy, I've been escaped. I'm a plug for the knowledge, we connected like an interstate. Some people have taste, but don't want to see you in the
y'all have way more hair products than this. I just don't know what it is. I'm struggling. This is not for y'all to mimic anyway. Y'all just watching me do a cute style.
I put it on vinyl just so I can set the record straight. I think I can be extra great because they catch on every day. I feel they all are pregnant with triplets cause they extra late. I'm black and proud and that's just something I feel extra blessed to say. We are one, so this is from my people trying to separate. Tell them, hey, look, now is you riding when it's time to roll? Hey, are you supporting what we grinding for? Hey, it ain't no shrinking when we trying to grow. Look, it's you what I said I gotta know. I'm about to take this thing around the globe. Hey, it ain't no feeling when we on the road. Hey, just make it clear so everybody know. If you what I said I gotta know. Hey. Love. Love.
I keep sealing my ends with this conditioner because it's so, my hair seems so dry to me.
Hey, it ain't no shrinking when we trying to grow. Look, it's you what I said, I gotta know. I'm about to take this thing around the globe. Hey, it ain't no feeling when we on the road. Hey, just make it clear so everybody know. If you what I said, I gotta know, gotta know. See, all my people gotta come and go. Hey, we spreading love like a common cold. Hey, we split the pie like it's dominoes. Look at the cement just to find the roads. Wish I could show you what I see ahead. Yeah, you can't be listening to what people said. Make sure you got your wings before you reach the ledge. Make sure you got your dreams before you reach the bed. Look, with the world spinning sideways, we can't let it all go down. Look, what's the best way to operate in the world that we know now? I can get you anything in the world long as you stick around. Yeah, it's too late for me to go and find a new chick now. So, now is you riding when it's time to roll? Hey, are you supporting what we grinding for? Hey,
so
it ain't no shrinking when we trying to grow.
I'm twisting my hair out right now.
It's you what I said, I gotta know. I'm about to take this thing around the globe. Hey, it ain't no feeling when we on the road. Hey, just make it clear so everybody know. If you what I said, I gotta know. Do what you wanna do and say what you wanna say. I'm in the club, swag surfing, trying to put you on the wave. Help you keep your spirits up when looking danger in the face. If it's goodwill or God's will, I got some game to give away. Never talk to strangers, haven't met a stranger to this day. So when I mention us and them just be the mental slaves. Before I go to outer space, I'm trying to master inner space.
I'm probably gonna roll my ends because the back didn't come out quite the way I like it.
I've been escaped. I'm a plug for the
Just
knowledge. We
love my hair
connected
color.
like the interstate. Some
So
people
pretty.
have interstates, but don't want to see you in the states. The taxes keeping you inside that section 8. They porn star titties, yeah, they extra fake. Instead of trying to regulate, we should be trying to legislate. I got a job to do and it's too delicate to delegate. I put it on vinyl just so I can set the record straight. I think I can be extra great because they catch on every day. I feel they all are pregnant with triplets cause they extra late. I'm black and proud and that's just something I feel extra blessed to say. We are one, so this is for my people trying to separate. Tell them, hey, look, now is you riding when it's time to roll? Hey, are you supporting what we grinding for? Hey, it ain't no shrinking when we trying to grow. Look, it's you what I said, I gotta know. I'm about to take this thing around the globe. Hey, it ain't no feeling when we on the road. Hey, just make it clear so everybody know. If you what I said, I gotta know.
I'll show you the finished product when I wake up. Bye.